So we're going off that's Westwood and Whitehaven. Let's start across there.
I see it. I see it.
It's coming this way.
Oh, Tracy, come here and look. See between the houses over here?
This rain is crazy. So many people are going to be out of their homes.
I know it. It's
in Millington, and just think all the livestock and all the animals and stuff. If they can't move, people can go to shelter.
Ooh, that don't look good.
That looks like somebody's trying to come out of that cloud over there.
I know it. That's nasty looking. Nasty looking.
Plus, you probably need to go in the house. Look, we fixed her blinds on mine.
Yeah.
Kind of. I'm going to give her some more.
Ooh. And the clouds pick up speed. And there's some rotation.
It's so warm out here. It's always
I know.
unstable.
It's really, really warm. Really warm outside.
Let's get your handy cam.
Huh?
Let's get your handy cam. That's Whitehaven. Yeah. So we're going off Westwood and Whitehaven.